what it is, people. What's going on? Oh my gosh, it is so hot. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It is burning hot. Had a long day at work. Well, no, I didn't. What are you talking about? I guess my days are usually long. I had a short day at work today. It's Friday for sure, you know. So I came home. Gotta update y'all because y'all missed the whole day because I don't know where y'all was at. Came home. Oh, what's going on? It's AC now. Hold up now. I don't feel nothing blowing. What is going on? Hold up. It's hot. It's too hot for you not to come on now. What the heck? Oh no. Oh no. I gotta go get my truck then. Oh no. I don't feel nothing. Oh, y'all part of this. It's y'all fault. So, I'm in my, I guess you would call this my work car. You know, $25 fill it up, bring me to work 2 weeks straight. You know, because I drive trucks. So, you know, I'm not home. My truck now, I drive my truck. I drive that thing 1 week, that thing done. So, yeah, oh no, I'm trying to talk to y'all. AC stopped working. What is going on? Oh my gosh. And it's so hot. Oh no. Oh no. I forgot what I was telling y'all. The AC, oh my gosh. I gotta turn around. Alright, you know what? It's good to go to the gym sweating. I'm headed to the gym, y'all. I'm headed to the gym. Had a short day today. Headed to the gym, about to go get it in. I have a goal to lose 10 pounds, excuse me, within a month, right? Why 10 pounds, man? Because I'm going to be on the beach somewhere, showing my 8 packs off. So I got to drop 10 pounds. I'm going to document this process with y'all, man. Y'all going to see what's what. I already stepped on the scale, show y'all where I'm at. Y'all gonna see. I don't really like doing this and documenting because now I gotta follow through. Y'all gonna be like, nah, that boy ain't finished it. So we got, how many days we got? We got 2 months. Right? 2 months. And but we head to the gym, y'all. Alright? And I'm hot. Alright, y'all. Tripod acted up, tripod broke on me. Forgive me. So I don't even know if y'all gonna get the whole vlog. But we're doing leg day today, baby. I get these chicken legs right. I'll start off with an empty bar first. What I usually do 10 each, all the way up to 225. I'm doing a little bit of everything. We don't have no clip in here, man. Gonna keep adding on weight till we get to 225. 10, 10, 10.
It's just my routine. That's what I do. I think I got it from Mike Rashid. Clock me now. It's just my workout, y'all. 10 pounds, 2 months. Should be easy. As long as I've been working out. I've been the same size for the last 15 years. Like I lose and gain it right back. That same area. We're gonna lose 10 this time. We're gonna lose another 10. We're gonna leave it right there. Weight ain't much, but the reps getting to me. Let's see. Remember, it's 10-10. I started with no bar. Phew. Where we at? I don't know how much we're at. I was like 185 or something like that. I use this 225 right here. I usually do this all the way up to this, from empty bar to 225, then empty it going back down. But we just got back in here. So we're gonna stop right here and move to the next workout. I just did it, by the way. I ain't recorded. I did record it, but I recorded for a short. I'll put it in somewhere right here, right next to me while I'm talking. Something like that. You know what I mean? We active. You know, did you? I'm about to do deadlift. I'm be honest. I just started back doing deadlift. I had stopped doing deadlift years ago, because I didn't see the purpose of it. And I also hurt my back. And I was like, I don't play sports anymore. What's the point of me doing this? So I stopped doing it. It's made me nervous because I hurt my back. So I'm at a point where I don't even know if I'm doing it right. I'm gonna do it. Y'all judge me on my deadlift, y'all. I ain't gonna go too heavy. Somebody gonna be looking in the comments. That's all you do? Yup. Until I get better. Until I master my form. That's the goal. Master the form. Ain't no ego lifting over here. No ego lifting. We're trying to master the form right now. We're doing 4 sets of 10. All right, y'all. According to my watch, I've been here 39 minutes. I do an hour. I remember last time how I got active in the gym. I said, bet, Lando, I need you to at least do 5 minutes in the gym, X amount of days. And that's how it started. Atomic something. It's a book I read. It said all you need to do is show up 5 minutes every day. Eventually you create that habit. Then you have no choice. You already did. The habit is there. You might as well knock out an hour. I forgot the name of it, atomic something. Drop it in the comments if you know what it is. Oh, crazy. Yes, sir. Good workout. Can't complain. Good leg. About to go find me something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I know I gotta go cook though. My wife at work and she want me to cook that special dish that I cook, you know. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm a chef though. I'm a chef. I'm gonna go find me. I might just eat the same thing, but nah, it's too heavy. It's my favorite Jamaican dish too. I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna make me a protein shake though, I know that. Not tonight. Yeah. I love days like this when I get off early, you know, because as truckers, we don't get too much time to really have personal time like this. You know, we drive the majority of the day. And I got off pretty early today. I guess probably normal time to most folks. I got off at 3. I left my house at like 5:30, 5 o'clock. So something like that's a full day's work. The truckers, that's an early day. So I got off at 3. So it's a fairly early day for me. And I'm home. I'm home at that, so that has a lot to do with it. Went home, took a little nap, 30-minute nap, went to the gym. I would say today was a good day. But yeah, guys, this is my, I'm about to just drop 10 pounds real quick with you guys and document it. I've been on this journey for a long time, man. It's about time for me to be swole, man. I've been working out majority of my life. When I say majority of my life. I've been working out since 9th grade. I'm supposed to be swole right now. You know, we play sports. I've never stopped working out longer than 6 months. Since 9th grade. Never. Longer than 6 months. So I don't know, man. So I need to get swole. Talk to me. I don't know what's going on, man. I get it in now. I get it in. I'm a runner too. I can run. Don't let the size fool you. A lot of y'all can't outrun me, speed-wise and distance-wise. If you want it, speed, what's up? You gonna blow my channel up, you come race me right now. Come on. If you want it, come get it. Don't be fooled by the size. I am Jamaican. You know Usain Bolt? It's my cousin. I just play it, but he ain't faster than me. You put some weight on. He ain't faster than me. Bolt, Wagwan, talk to me. Let's do it. Let's run it. So, yeah, man, this is a journey to lose. I'm just going for 10 pounds. I can lose 10 pounds, but I'm just trying to do it. I don't want to say slowly, the right way. I can lose 10 pounds real quick. Bum. But as soon as I go back to my diet, gain it right back. So I'm just trying to lose it the right way. I never really stopped working out, but no, watch your tongue, Lando. The issue that I had in the past was being consistent, right? Being consistent, but now I'm consistent. So that's the main reason I'm not swole like I'm supposed to be. Because I work out, I get it in. I'm in better shape than a lot of people. Don't let the looks fool you. You can't outrun me distant. You might get me speed, but you might. But I'm fast for my size. I call out anybody my size. 6'4",
264. What's up? Who won it? I call out anybody on my side. You can't beat me. Distant, speed. I want speed too, shoot. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for watching, man. It was just my little workout routine, you know. I just wanted to tap in with y'all real quick. I realized I didn't drop any. Actually, I did drop a video this week. Either way, y'all getting this. I'll drop one Monday, but y'all gonna get this. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Look, make sure y'all go watch the next video. I dropped the video the other day, though this week, matter of fact, when I went to church. I'm bringing y'all in my personal life. I'm trying to make my vlog more into my personal life. I'm gonna be doing that more. Bring y'all in my personal life. Just a little bit more, not too much, you know what I mean? But that's what it is, guys. Hey, stay blessed. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. It's your boy Lindo.